Welcome to Sri Sai Academy. Today topic algebraic 8 identities. Important 8 identities. Okay. First one, x plus y whole square. X square plus y square plus 2xy. Next, second one, x minus y whole square. X square plus y square minus 2xy. Next, third one, x plus y into x minus y equal to x square minus y square. Next, fourth identity, x plus a into x plus b equal to x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. Okay. Next, fifth identity, x plus y plus z whole square equal to x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx. Okay. Next, sixth one, x plus y whole cube. X plus y whole cube. X cube plus y cube plus 3xy into x plus y. Okay. Next, seventh identity. Next, x minus y whole cube equal to x cube minus y cube minus 3xy into x minus y. Eighth one, x plus y plus z into x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx equal to x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. ఓకే, నా ఛానల్ కనుక మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే ప్లీజ్ లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి అండ్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి. ఓకే.